friends, it's my pleasure to invite you to our RKS Apex Institute of English. In this video, we will come to know the main features of this online course. The duration of this online training is 60 days, and here you get number of spoken activities, personal development programs, and practical grammar lessons. During this online course every day, students get an opportunity to present a topic every day. It's a customary practice to present one topic every day. Now we shall see the detailed syllabus of this particular course. Let's see the core components of this program. It is the combination of four components GVSP. Generally we call it a four-fold method. The four-fold method is grammar, vocabulary, spoken, and personality development. Now look at the syllabus, what we complete in grammar. Silent letters, there in the part 1, grammatical terms, word order, word family, noun, pronoun, verb, preposition, tense part 1, conjunctions, tense part 2, adjective, adverb, if conditions, and modal auxiliaries part 1. So all these components come under grammar part 1. Friends, here at the end of every chapter you will get some exercises, or you can say assignments. So these assignments are prepared such a way that your practical knowledge in English get enriched, and at the same time next we get the chance to convert this grammar into spoken activities. Most of the people think that institutions like this kind teach only grammar, so it's only a wrong notion, friends. So now in the future videos you are going to see how we convert grammar into even spoken activities. There in the part 2 you get activize, passivize in 4 parts, because it is one of the important pillars. So it needs the practical dimension to acquire required skills. Modal auxiliaries part 2, articles, direct indirect speech, structures, email writing, letter writing, notice writing, double parts of speech, one of the important chapters. Generally we call it crux of advanced grammar. Resume preparation, agenda writing, minutes of the meeting. So some people surely going to be the part of MNCs in future. So you should know how to write an agenda and minutes of the meeting. Phonetics, so which help you in speaking exact pronunciation. So friends, these are all the things we cover in grammar. Coming to vocabulary, most people think that knowing the meanings of unknown words itself is vocabulary. But friends, in general, you need to know the category of vocabulary. You find passive vocabulary and active vocabulary. Passive and active. Passive vocabulary means students know the meaning of the word, that's all. But active in the sense, you need to know 3 components. Generally we call them S1, S2 and S3. S1 spelling, sound means it's a pronunciation, and specific usage means its exact structure. Sometimes these vocabulary words, they take some particular prepositions, or the structure should be in the specified way. So all those things are discussed here in vocabulary. Frankly speaking, to rise up to any occasion, one should have 2500 to 3000 vocabulary words. In our course, we are going to complete 2000 words, 2000 active vocabulary words, friends. So regular verbs 500, irregular 175, general vocabulary 125, special phrases 200, professional vocabulary 800, and idioms and phrases 200. So coupled with all these things, you will get nearly 2000 words. Once again, I would like to reiterate here, all these 2000 words you get along with the explanation and the right uses, how to use in your day-to-day life. Combining these two, grammar and vocabulary, then we have spoken activities. There in the spoken activities, you get wide variety of components, approximately 60 to 65 components we cover here. So in which you can find pro communicative concepts, pro tense concepts, general stories, corporate themes, listening skills, conversational skills, reading skills, expansion of proverbs, general essays, story translation, group discussions, mock press, anchor and guest presentation, group activities, jam sessions. Jam, you are well versed with the word jam. Just a minute. FAQ, frequently asked questions in the interviews. And the last item here, mock interview. Like this, friends, these activities help a lot in enriching the communication skills of the students. And personality development is also one of the key elements of our course. So here you get everyday proverbs. Every day our class begins with a proverb, professional skills, leadership qualities, anger management, lead India, soft skills, man of value versus man of success, how to face rejection, or you can say facing rejection, SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, one of the key components in professional career development, and personality in triangles. So like this, friends, this course comes out with wide variety of programs in personality development. So this is all about the program GVSP, grammar, vocabulary, spoken, and personality development. Friends, hope you understood GVSP, grammar, vocabulary, spoken, and personal development. Now let us look at how the program goes on. It's a duration of 60 days. So during the 60 days, you get one grammar topic every day. One grammar topic every day. So once this class is over, the topic is sent to your email immediately. You can listen to it any number of times and the clarity will be more. And at the same time, you need to undergo 25 words of vocabulary words every day. Here vocabulary in the sense, we will provide you much needed explanation and the techniques. Okay, each word along with the examples, it's very important. Knowing the word is not important, friends, but you should know how to use it in our day-to-day life. So you get their uses. So sometimes diagrams are very much needed. We do provide diagrams also for the better understanding of this vocabulary. Combining these two, grammar and vocabulary, you get different spoken activities like my daily routine, myself, jam just a minute, storytelling, book reading, like that many more activities you get here. And every day now and then you get personal development concepts also. Like that, friends, this course goes on. Besides this, you will be given two wonderful materials, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and part 2 in detail, grammar, vocabulary, and spoken activities, their data, everything is given in the materials. So friends, for further details, you can contact 900248 We offer first 3 video classes free. Then you need to send your email ID to our WhatsApp number. Then we will send you first 3 free classes. And of course, when online classes begin, then we will let you know the exact date. So thereby you can join us. For any details, without any hesitation, please do contact us 900248 This is all about RKSFX program, friends. Thank you very much.